Queensland Gaskets is a Australian-owned family business manufacturing in Brisbane in Queensland. We've been doing that for a bit over 65 years, and we're an SME and proud of it, and we're working in the defence sector. So we're a cutting specialist company, and the programs we're working in are in the cyber side of things with the likes of Boeing. We're also working in some of the land system side of things, and these are all around some of the specialty silicon products, and that's what we're here at the show talking about today. Some of the EMI and RFI shielding type materials with some of the just some complex and quite unique materials that have got the characteristics to help out in that area of defence. The challenges and opportunities, the opportunities are across all sectors and all industries at the moment. The challenges really, especially in the defence side, is that there are a lot of opportunities, and how do we make sure we pick the ones that are the right ones for us, and then make sure we've got the skilled workforce to actually work with that and get the right outcomes for our customers on those things. Partnering is a lot about ensuring you know where your value is, and the primes want to know that you can add value to what they're trying to do. Similarly, when you're working with other businesses, you have to bring value to the table, and as long as you're clear on where your value is and your partners are clear on theirs, then it's much easier to work together and ensure that you can collaborate and bring the right things to the table. One of the things with dealing with the primes in particular, and especially in the prototyping phase of things, there's an urgency and a need to speed up the processes. And as a specialist cutting company, we know different ways to do things, and in order to achieve the speed and the requirements, it's about trying to be innovative in the way that we do those things, and maybe use different techniques and different opportunities to deliver the goods faster, and knowing that we'll have to return to a more cost-effective way of manufacturing things at a later time in the process. The business in Australia and other markets, or other commercial markets as well as defence, there's a lot of little challenges in each of them. There's obviously a benefit in Australia of dealing with companies and cultures that's very similar. So then that provides other little challenges in other places. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to the value that you're bringing to the table. And both, but defence always has that added difficulty of needing you to step up to be your absolute best and provide the long-term solution that'll work. This is our first foray into the marine system side of things. We've had a bit of success in our sales into the land side and also into some of the cyber side of things. So there's an opportunity we see in developing into other networks or other parts of defence, and so happy to be here with the team from Queensland and work and collaborate with the other businesses here on the stand.